People, I'm back. I didn't even go nowhere because we've been uploading regular. This one's a bit different. I've been ordering different pairs because of sales and stuff like that. This one, I'm actually confused because I haven't had no order confirmation, no dispatched confirmation, nothing. So I think I know what it is, and I hope it's them because I want to see what they look like in person. And actually, I'm not gonna say it until I open this. So again, I've got to savage this open. It's upside down. It's a red box. I don't even know what the box is meant to be like. Wait, let me just move this to the side. Okay, so it's a red box. I haven't looked at the label. Let's go. Yes! Nike Dunk High Retro. White, vast grey white. UK 10. I don't know my sizing. I've never had a pair of Dunks except for once when I was maybe like a size 4. Like they were all black or whatever. I'm excited just to see what they look like in person and how they fit. I've never had a pair on foot. Plus, this is my first ever W. So it's my first ever limited shoe or my first ever dunk I've actually got. And let's see if I can, get more trainers. Not from Sneaker app. Not from the sneakers app. No way. This was from JD Sports. I actually managed to land on JD Sports. And hopefully I can, carry on. But I don't want to talk too much. Let's get into it. Gotta peel it off nicely. Gently. Throw that tape over there. Let's go. Oh, yes. Dunks. My first ever pair of Dunks. I'm actually gassed to have these just because it's my first ever pair of Dunks. Literally my first ever pair. Oh man, these remind me of B-Tech Jordan 1s so much. Or knockoff or bootleg or whatever you want to call them. So it's got the grey, it's all grey leather, grey, white leather, white leather. It's just grey and white really. It's got the, the normal Nike on the bottom. Grey and white. They're not too special, but I want to see how they drop on foot. I actually kind of like these, but I don't know. What do you lot think? I want everyone to comment what they think of these. I want to see how they are on foot, how they look with jeans, stuff like that. Obviously, it did pay retail, so it's retail gang. Let's see. Ooh, I'm not sure. I can't decide. I'm actually a bit confused. Do I like them? Do I not? I think if it was a low top dunk, if it was a multicolored one, I would have liked it a lot more than this pair. But I'm excited that I did hit. And when you hit, when it's not a miss, when you're up at 7:45 in the morning for these and you actually get them, then you're going to be excited. I do have negative feedback about Nike sneakers app. It's terrible. The sneakers app is terrible. They actually did a Nike.com release of these this time. So you entered on Nike.com, then you waited like half an hour, and then they said, sorry, you haven't got them, sorry, you haven't got them, sorry, you haven't got them. So I'm thinking, why waste my time? I could be sleeping because I don't want to be up at 7:45 in the morning. So that's a headache, but hopefully Nike do start releasing trainers like they did before, kind of like a first come first serve, because back in the day, well, when I say back in the day, I mean like 2013, 2014, I was buying a lot of trainers and I was hitting on all of them. And sometimes I was even doubling up and tripling up on pairs just for, friends and stuff. So I was able to land myself pairs, land friends pairs, and, was more happier collecting then than we are collecting now, because it's just a million different hype beasts everywhere and what they called resellers. Oh, we hate resellers. But yeah, I'm gonna go over it quickly one more time. So it's just the same leather. That's actually a bit of a don't know if you can see that there. Okay, so it's got the little leather pull tab, white leather, grey leather. So, you know, it's the same leather. It's quite a smooth leather. See, this will crease amazingly. And I'm not sure. I might just keep them because they're my first ever win. So my first ever dunks. I do want to get some other pairs of dunks. I want to get these nice colors. So the reds, the blues, you know, more old school colorways. I like these. I like these. They're not too bad. They're classic. I don't know where I am right now in terms of, am I buying crazy colorways? Am I buying normal colorways? I want to see how these look. Actually, I was thinking I need a pair of grey and whites because of light blue jeans and grey hoodies and stuff like that. So these might work. As always, I'm going to do an on foot video because I really want to see what they look like on foot. I might do the on foot video a bit differently. I'm going to see with jeans and I'll see with tracksuit bottoms as well, just to kind of, because this is like more of a jean Nike or whatever. I don't really have much more to say, to be honest, as this is my first pair of dunks. It's not the most amazing colorway. I just got these because I could. Literally, I hit on them and I was happy, so I was like, why not? I checked out. I had no hope of them actually shipping, so as I said before, I didn't get any order confirmation, no messages, nothing saying it's been dispatched. So I got a knock. I thought it was something else, but it was a box. Then I forgot I even bought these. So I thought, maybe I've been lucky and they've accidentally sent me trainers. You can't say no to free trainers, can you? And then it's these. Not too bad, but we'll just see what they look like on foot. I need to always try out a trainer on foot. And as always, make sure that you comment if you like these or not, first of all. So I'm just going to give you a quick view again. Just the grey and white. It would have been cool if this had like dunk on it or something. They are very much like Jordan 1s, and we know how Jordan 1s are in fashion. But I think Jordan 1s don't have this type of thing. Yeah, Jordan 1s don't have this. But yeah, grey and white dunks. I'm not happy and not upset about them. I know if this was another YouTuber, they would probably be crazy excited, you know, jumping around all over the place. I, for one, not too happy, not upset. It actually is a very clean shoe. Looks like a good, nice, clean colorway. It probably could go well with different things. And I think that's it for me for today. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't even want to say it because I want everyone to do it just naturally. But please, guys, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We are more than halfway there. And I hope I get to 1,000 as soon as possible. So yeah, also comment if you like these. I actually want to see how the sizing is, because if they're too big for me, then I don't know what I have to do. So yeah, that's it for me for today. I've spoken way too much about these and not spoken about them at all at the same time. So take care, guys. I'm off.